Hey everybody. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I found these cupcake carrying cases. And they're kind of perfect as seed starting trays. So I bought 5 of them. They look like this, and each one of them has a top that snaps on. And so I'm going to drill holes in the bottoms of these guys and so they drain, and I'm going to plant seeds in them. And I'm not going to worry about, I guess I could plant just 9 in each one, but I think I'm going to plant a little more than that. So anyway, let's take a look. So to drill the holes, I'm just laying down a piece of scrap wood because I don't want to drill into my workbench here. And I'm going to make sure that I've got the plastic hard against the wood. And I'm using a 1/4 inch drill bit.